Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to show you how to change your folders icon with your picture. So friends, you can change your folders icon from just going to property and opting customize option, and here you will find change icon, and you can change or choose any icon from here. So after that you have to apply, and you can see that the icon has been changed. So you can also put your picture here, like you have to just put the customize option and choose browse from here. But here you have to keep in mind that this picture is not in icon form or doesn't have extension ICO or ICO. Here the extension of this jpg file is, or the file is jpg.jpg. so you have to convert it jpg to ICO. So for it you have to visit Google, like I just made this video in Hindi, so I followed the process. You have to press here jpg to ICO, and here press website works well, and you have to choose a file from here, like the file name is Abhishek with Sahil, and then after clicking there you have to press on or click on convert, and the picture is being converted and this is completed now. So you have to download from here, and this file type is now ICO. For recognition I am changing this name and I have saved this on desktop now. So you can see that this file is converted to ICO extension, and you can see the extension of this file is .ico. So you just have to go to the property option and then go to customize and click on change icon, then go to browse, and here in desktop you can find the ICO type of file. So this is the image file with the ICO extension. You just have to open with that and click OK, and then apply, and then click on OK. So this is the folder, and you can have some more folders or files inside this folder, because this is folder not an image. So this is how you change your folders icon with your any picture that you have on computer. Thank you.